Hi everyone! I hope that you're doing well and that you had a great start to the new year. As a thank you for your support on my channel despite not posting consistently, I wanted to give you a 2022 planner that I created as a small New Year's gift for you. It is a free planner that is ideal to plan your whole year, keep track of your tasks, and is also perfect to organize your school/university work. I wish I discovered a planner like this sooner because it really helps me to have everything organized in one place, so I hope that the planner will help you as well. Here is an overview of all of the pages that the planner consists of. The year at a glance, dated monthly pages, undated weekly and daily spreads, monthly motivation and reflection, goals page, vision board, a page to list out your daily habits and day and night routine, to-do lists, reading and watch list, journal pages, and as for the academic section, I've included a page for your timetable, course overviews, a page to track your exams and credits, and paper templates for your class notes. To access the free planner, go to the Google Drive link below, download the PDF document, and import it to a Notes app of your choice. Since I personally use Goodnotes, I will show you a tutorial on how to use the planner with this app. When you first open the planner, you will be greeted by the cover page. Feel free to replace this cover with any design of your choice. For example, you can do that by downloading or creating your own picture and adding this picture as the first page of the planner. The cover page is followed by the index, where you can see the main page titles. They are divided into general topics, academic section, and the monthly pages. To navigate through the planner easily, you will need to click on the pen icon in the upper right corner. Now you can click on any title you want to get to the desired page. All of the following pages have a sidebar with clickable icons. The hamburger button takes you back to the home page, the graduation hat to the academic part, the notebook icon to the journal pages, and the monthly tabs will take you to the corresponding monthly page. However, the transition pages that look like this or this only have the upper three icons to preserve its aesthetic. So, let's go through every page of the planner, shall we? We are starting off with the year at a glance. On this page, you can mark the most important dates like birthdays, doctor's appointments, exams, travel periods, and so on. From this page, you can also access the monthly by clicking onto the month's names or these tabs on the sidebar. The weekly page template by clicking on any of the week numbers, and the daily page templates by clicking on any day of the month. On the monthly page, you can plan out your whole month and keep it as a journal with your favorite moments and photos. From here, you can also access the weekly by clicking on these tabs on the right, and go to the dailies by tapping on any of these days of the month within the table. You can also get back to the year at a glance or go to the month's motivation and reflection page by clicking these tabs in the lower right corner. As for the weekly page, I've created two versions for each month. The first version lets you time block your schedule, while in the other version you can write down your tasks and other notes without having to stick to a certain time. This way you can choose the template that best suits your situation. From the weekly page, you can access the daily page template of the current month by clicking on the calendar in the lower right corner, where you can plan out your whole day in even more detail. As both the weekly and daily templates are undated, you can always duplicate these pages and write the specific dates on these templates to differentiate them. Coming to the monthly motivation and reflection. Here you can write down your goals that you want to achieve in this month, keep track of your habits, and reflect on the whole month. Feel free to fill in these empty spaces with anything you want. This could be, for example, lowlights and highlights. Down here is an additional horizontal tracker that you could use as a mood tracker or any other habit that you want to monitor. For the goals page, I've created 5 different categories so that you can group your goals together. If you prefer to categorize your goals into different topics than the ones that I created, you can do this by taking a screenshot of the background color, then pasting the picture above the title, and writing your desired topic on it. This also goes for any other page of the planner. I don't want you to feel restricted by my own design, so if you ever want to change something to fit your needs, you can do that with the method that I just showed you. If you've also been loving vision boards like me, this is the page for you. Here you can add pictures, quotes, and text to visualize your goals and dreams for the year 2022. The next page contains a list of your daily habits, morning routine, and night routine. Personally, it definitely helps me to form habits if I write down a list of all of the things that I want to achieve in a day, so I hope that it will help you as well. This is a to-do list that keeps track of your tasks. On the left, you can write down the name of the specific task that you plan on doing. Then you can write down the details about the tasks, like the specific steps you need to take, when it's due, its category, and also set its priority. And depending on how much you've completed the task, you can fill in the completion meter. The planner also includes a reading and watch list where you can document what you've read and watched in the past year, rate it, and write a review about it. Now let's come to the academic part of the planner, which is honestly my favorite part. I've added this section since many of you guys are also students, and I figured that it could be helpful for you to keep track of your lectures, exams, and study session, and also keep an overview about the courses that you're taking. In the timetable page, you can write down basic information about your courses and schedule in your classes and study sessions. For more details about the classes that you're taking, you can click on the corresponding table and it will take you to the course overview. Here you can add information like the time, location, and the name of the professor and their office hours, and you can also write down your assignments, a list of needed course materials, and some other remarks that you have regarding the class. In this big blank space on the right, I personally like to write all of the topics that are covered in this course, because that way I have an overview about what I'll have to study for my exam. However, you can feel free to write anything you want here. If you also want to add some class notes for a specific course, you can do this by clicking on the academic button, selecting the desired paper template, copying it, and pasting the page after the corresponding course overview. To keep track of your exams and credits for the semester, you can write them down in this table and mark the dates in the calendar on the right side of the page. To navigate to the timetable, exams, and credits page, or the year at a glance, you can click on the corresponding tab in the lower right corner. And finally, for people who love to journal, I've added different paper templates in light and dark mode. This way you can choose any paper template that fits your mood and journal on it. Okay, that is all from my side. I hope that you enjoy using this planner. If you find any mistakes, have any remarks, or any improvement ideas for the future planner, please let me know in the comments below. Once again, thank you all for your support so far. I really appreciate it, and I hope that 2022 will be a great year for you, full with amazing experiences and, most importantly, good health. See you in the next video. Bye!